Hello everyone, welcome to General Measures channel. Today we will explain how to calibrate the batching scale controller GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB. The GMC-P7FB is an industrial batching controller that supports 12 types of materials batching and 20 recipe storage. It comes with a 7-inch touchscreen, dynamic process visualization, and an intuitive interface. With standard Ethernet port, dual serial ports, USB interface, 12 inputs, and 16 outputs. It fully meets the requirements of efficient batching in industrial applications. GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB share the same software program, so the calibration process and operation steps are identical. There are two ways of calibration for batching scale controller: test weight calibration and theoretical calibration. The process involves weight parameter setting, zero calibration, gain calibration, test weight, or theoretical calibration. During calibration, pay attention to stability and verification. Now, let's start the calibration process. Before weight calibration, set the following parameters: unit, decimal point, division, maximum capacity, and test weight. From the main interface, click Menu, Calibration, enter the calibration page. Log in with administrator access and input password 60. Unit setting, click the right side of unit to select unit from pop-up window. Demonstration, set to kilogram. Decimal point setting, the decimal point determines the precision of displayed values. Click the decimal point value and choose. In general, more decimals mean higher precision, but too many may cause errors, so you need to set it based on the particular case. For demonstration, we set 0.000. Division setting. Click division value to select from the pop-up window. Demonstration. Select 1. Maximum capacity setting. Set the capacity value greater than or equal to the maximum weight to be measured. The capacity value has the influence on the division setting. Demonstration. Set to 20 kilograms. Test weight confirmation. For best calibration, use a test weight close to 80% of the maximum capacity. If not possible, use a weight as close as possible to maximum capacity. After parameter setting, proceed to zero calibration. Zero calibration has two ways: automatic calibration and manual calibration. For new devices or after the scale structural adjustment, automatic calibration must be used. Automatic calibration. Make sure the scale hopper is empty. Wait until it is stable, then click Calibration 0. Manual calibration. Click Calibration 0 by voltage and manually enter the millivolt value of 0 point recorded during previous calibration. After zero calibration, the system will display a remind. Gain calibration can be done in two ways: test weight calibration or theoretical calibration. Test weight gain calibration. After zero calibration, place a test weight on the scale. Wait until the scale is stable. Click Calibration Weight. Input the test weight value 5 kilograms. Then click Enter to complete the calibration. Theoretical gain calibration. After zero calibration, click Theoretical calibration. Input the capacity and sensitivity shown on the label of load cell of the scale. Turn on the theoretical calibration, switch to complete calibration. After calibration, verify the accuracy. When the scale is empty, the indicator displays 0. Place the test weight again. If the display matches the test weight, calibration is successful. If not, review the steps above for troubleshooting. That's all for the calibration process of GMC-P7FB or GM9907LB. If you'd like to learn more about the detailed functions of this indicator, feel free to contact General Measure. In the next session, we will demonstrate the recipe setting operation for the GMC-P7FB and GM9907LB.